I'm tired. Went to bed at 1:30 last night. Was up by 5. But we're still pushing forward. The kids are all out orienteering right now, so I thought I'd take a little break here by one of their waypoints. And so they're supposed to be finding where I am and checking in and stuff. But while I'm here, I've been listening for different types of birds and stuff that come through here. And just some of the ones that I've identified. There's a black-headed grosbeak. We have a Swainson's thrush, a Nashville warbler, and then usually your American robin, your common crow, some of those things. But yeah, I've been told that there's a couple of owls out here as well. There's a common barn owl. There's the barred owl, and then there's the great horned owl. And so I just thought I'd come out here and listen for. I don't know if you heard that. That's a barred owl. So that's our barred owl. Its call sounds like, "Who cooks for you? Who cooks for you?" There's a couple of them out here. I found it. I have found. I don't know if we're going to be able to see this. Where are you? There he is. Right in that spot there. That's our barred owl. That's very cool. Very cool. That's it as well. Anyways, glad we got that recorded.